Hi there, David here again, coming to you for BeInCrypto. Today, we'll be taking a look at how to make your first trade on eToro, one of the most popular exchanges for trading both cryptocurrency and stocks. We'll explain how to sign up, take you through the basic interface, and show you how you can make your first trade. Of course, as we always say, this is not financial advice, just education. Do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, with that out of the way, let's jump right into how to trade on eToro. First, what is eToro? Well, eToro originally launched back in 2007 with the vision of making financial markets accessible to everyone. The company started off as an online forex broker under the name RetailFX, and only later rebranded as eToro. Shortly after rebranding, it started offering financial instruments in other asset classes, including indices and commodities. eToro then expanded its services in 2010 by launching a social trading feature that enables users to automatically copy the trades of more experienced and successful traders on the platform. The company then entered the crypto space for the first time in 2014 by launching Bitcoin CFDs. Over the next 4 years, more digital assets were added to the platform, including Ethereum and XRP, among others. In 2018, it expanded further by adding eToro X, an institutional-grade crypto exchange for professional traders and firms. eToro's headquarters are in Tel Aviv, Israel, and it operates globally from its registered offices in Australia, the UK, the US, and Cyprus. As of June 2022, it claims to have a global user base of more than 20 million. The platform is also in full regulatory compliance across many jurisdictions, including the EU, UK, and US, so traders can know they're keeping in line with all local laws while using the platform. Okay, if all of that sounds fine to you and you want to use their services, then you'll need to open up a new account to get started. Don't worry, the procedure is pretty simple and consists of the following steps. First, go to eToro.com. US users will be prompted to go ahead to the US version of the site. Click on Start Investing and you'll be taken to a sign-up page. Fill in the form by setting a username, sharing your email, and choosing a strong password. Note that you can also sign up by linking your Facebook or Gmail account if you would prefer. Review all the details you've submitted and check eToro's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Confirm that you agree with all the terms by checking the appropriate box and click on Create Account. Congratulations! At this point, you're all signed up with an account and have access to the basic platform. Note, however, that until you go through what's known as Know Your Customer or KYC verification, there will be limits on the actual trading activity you can do. As a fully regulated platform, eToro needs to comply with these policies mandated by regulators in different jurisdictions. As such, you'll be required to submit your proof of identity and proof of residence, and possibly some other details, before gaining full access to all services. However, for today's walkthrough, we'll be using the virtual or dummy account offered by eToro. This gives you full access to all of their services with a portfolio of 100,000 fake dollars. Everything else works the same, and you can access this without providing verification. This is fantastic if you just want to learn the platform and try your hand at trading without providing any info or risking any real money. As such, it is highly recommended that newcomers to trading begin here. Okay, let's start using the interface. Once you've signed up and logged in, you should find yourself at a screen like this. If you haven't already switched to the virtual portfolio, do so now by clicking on Switch to Virtual in the lower left-hand corner. If you don't want to do this step, you don't have to, but you won't be able to make any trades until either you do or until you fund your real account. Now let's do a quick overview of what you're looking at. We don't have time to cover nearly every feature on eToro, but we'll touch on some of the basics. On the top of the screen, you see a ticker showing some of the more popular assets available on the exchange, as well as a search bar letting you directly look up whatever you want. Right in front of you should be your overall balance, as well as some metrics on the account. Below that, you have your newsfeed and a list of today's top movers. On the left, we have a variety of links. First is Home, where you are now. Then Watch List, a customizable list of assets that you can follow. Portfolio tracks all assets that you own and trades you have open, and Discover lets you look for new assets by category. Below that are a variety of options you can explore on your own, like joining the eToro Club, inviting friends, and adjusting settings, but these are outside of the scope for our video today. What we're mainly interested in is how to make a basic trade on the platform. For this, let's pretend to buy some Bitcoin. If you're following at home, make sure again that you're in the virtual account, but feel free to fake buy any asset that you want, as the process is the same. Okay, start by either clicking on Bitcoin at the top of the page if it's being shown, or just type BTC into the search bar. Either way, you should end up with this screen that displays the current Bitcoin price as well as a basic information feed. Note there are tabs to look at various market metrics, view a chart, as well as access some basic research and news. Note that these last two tabs are only available to you once you've begun active real trading, and won't be accessible in the virtual account. However, that's fine for our purposes today. Now, you'll want to click on the green Buy button in the top right corner. This will bring up our trading window. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what you're seeing here. At the top is the Bitcoin price, updated in real time. Next to that is a tab where you can choose between a trade and an order. For today, leave it on trade. Below that, you can specify how much you're buying. On the right, you can switch between US dollars or Bitcoin for the units. It should be pretty obvious, but make sure you know which one you're using or you could make a big mistake. Just below that is some basic info about what you're purchasing and how much of your portfolio it will represent. Okay, if everything looks good to you, then hit Open Trade. We left our purchase at the default value of $5,000, but since this is virtual money, feel free to put in any amount you want. Once submitted, the system should work to fill your trade as fast as possible, in our case, just a few seconds. You should see a notification letting you know that the trade was successful. Afterwards, the main portfolio page will reflect this new purchase, and you can see some metrics about it like the current valuation. In our case, our Bitcoin almost immediately lost value, but such is the nature of trading crypto. And there you go. You just bought your first virtual Bitcoin on eToro. If you want to buy the real thing, the process is exactly the same. You'll just need to switch to your real portfolio and also fund it with real money. Otherwise, you're all set. There are, of course, a ton of other features to learn about, so definitely poke around some more if you're interested in this service. Of course, as we all know, there's changes happening all the time in the world of cryptocurrency, and you're going to want to keep up. So why not check us out at BeInCrypto.com, where you'll find daily updates, analysis, and more. Also, don't forget about our other content right here on YouTube, such as interviews, educational videos, and our bi-weekly news show. Oh, and if trading is your thing, come join our free premium channel on Telegram to receive free trading signals from our expert traders. By the way, speaking of our partner eToro, we wanted to let you know that they're giving an exclusive benefit for the BeInCrypto community. All you have to do is make an initial deposit to eToro using our link below. Don't have the time to watch and follow all the markets? You can also enjoy eToro's famous copy trader experience that allows you to automatically copy top performing traders, instantly replicating their trades in your own portfolio without you doing any research or work. Or, as we mentioned in this video, you can also try their demo account to learn how to trade in a safe environment. Okay, that's all for me today. As always, thank you to everybody out there watching, and we'll see you all right here again real soon.